Welcome to this course about guilt. Guilt is something horrible. You know it, I know it. You feel bad, you feel unworthy, you are weakened. And this is something which is bothering everybody once in a while a lot. Fortunately, not always. This course will teach you, will show you how to understand guilt and how to transform it and how to change it by your understanding. And I will show you the steps which are necessary for that. My name is Bertolt Ulsamer. I'm a German, and you can hear that in my terrible German accent. I hope you understand it enough. I'm leading seminars throughout the world, often in English, so all my participants have to understand me like you. And I was teaching about guilt in the last 10 years a lot. I have written 2 books about this in German, and this course will give you a lot of my insights. So I'm glad you are interested in this topic because it's so important. Welcome to this course, and I promise you, you will understand a lot and you will really grow in your understanding through the next lessons.